So, we're making a wardrobe, a closet, or a walk-in closet as I like to call it, because no one is stopping you from putting your leg through it. This is where I'm at. Oh, you didn't see it? No worries, I'll catch you up. I started off by making these skeletal things and adding a lot of support to it. Everything's made from wood. These are the sliding drawers I'm going to make. Now you're up to date, and we can begin. Well, that's right after this clip. Next, I'm marking the line where I need to make the groove for the drawer. My assistant came to check on me because I was having such a tough time getting a straight line, and this definitely helped a lot. Sometimes she can be helpful when she's not destroying all the plants in my room. Also, she cleans up my workspace. Actually, I just hope that I find that pen again. I clamp a piece of wood on the two lines that I made with my router against it to make the whole grooves go as straight as possible. I mean, it moved, but hey, nothing we can't fix in the future. Right after that, I try the slide onto it to see if the side of the drawer fits. Perfect. I get asked so many times by absolutely no one at all, what is your favorite part of a project? Well, I can tell you that's definitely the rewarding feeling of getting an exact measurement done after walking back and forth to my table saw a million times. Now, to put the drawer together, I find that a crooked wall in an over 3 centuries old farmhouse works perfectly as a reference point. I have to cut this out with a saw and then chip it down with a chisel. Doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be able to go onto the rail on the back side. And you only have one rail. Yeah, I definitely only have one. It's easier if you just sit. Ow. Let's see how it goes in. Finally! It seems like it's too wide.
The excitement of getting an exact measurement done.
Okay. I think we're just gonna take one of these, make it less thick. Okay, so I cut this thing thin, and then the other part's in there already. So let's see if it fits now. Okay, no. Get this thing on and see. Yeah. Oh, I see. Ow! My finger. This is too tight, so. Let's see if it fits. Should not totally fit, by the way. Okay. Why does this go deeper? Okay, so I think actually tomorrow I will take it apart and redo the front and the back because this looks like shit. It's not perfectionism, it just looks like shit. New day, new chances. Let's get this thing off. And then I'm gonna saw them a little bit shorter because I don't like how it fits right now. Also, this thing that I made really thin, it just doesn't look good. So, let's do it. Okay, I put the drawer back together. It's sort of square. It's a bit tight, but I mean it's very straight. Just have to figure out why it's so tight. Okay. So in the back, this drawer moves a little bit against the other one. Wow, this might be the best drawer. So I'm very, very pleased. Looks quite good. All I need to do now is chop down a little piece of this backside because it's running stuck against it. Oh, also on this one. So maybe that's why it's going a bit difficult. So I need to take those off a little bit. Then I shave these down a tiny bit. And then I see which side is the best one. I think this one, and then I mark it. And then I do the same on all the other drawers. So, I've returned from my coffee break, and no, it wasn't any magical kind of coffee that made my hair glow this rapidly. The truth is, I just never finished building this wardrobe on video because I felt it wasn't good enough. But today I changed my mind because I put a lot of effort into making this wardrobe, so I wanted to show you guys the end result. So here it is in all its glory. Cat scratches and all, but I suppose we could just call that characteristics. I finished everything off with reclaimed wood. I also made a clothes rod that will likely snap any day now. At this point I basically use it to remind myself that I don't need any more clothes. So, whenever the rod starts to bend, it's time to bring some stuff to the thrift store. I waxed all the drawers and gliders so they slide out pretty well now, as you can see. Look, there's some wax. And maybe you've noticed this, but on the other side of my wardrobe I got very lazy, so I just put the drawers on top of the gliders. So, yeah. I did that. Oh, and Poe's doing great now. She's no longer wearing any outfits. My pencil hasn't returned yet, but our bond is still great, and my plants are still thriving. Right, Poe?